Alrighty, day 2, final day of the champ school. Got some great sleep last night. I was absolutely beat, but really excited for this next day. We're gonna get filmed again and really see what our improvements have been.
How was your band ride?
It was good. I had a few questions as far as where to turn in. Turn 3 has been screwing me up, and 13 and 14 been screwing me up. So I think we kind of settled some stuff down. Now it's time to get knee down, stop being a little baby.
But it was a great lap. That's the lap that people need to run so they see what they want to work on, you know? And I can tell you weren't riding over your head, but you were putting down a good lap.
Thank you. I was hoping it's better than last night's.
Yeah.
It felt better. It felt like I was farther off.
Yeah.
I know I got more to do, but that felt good.
And you were in the center of the camera pretty much the whole time too.
Awesome. Thanks, brother. One of the great things that Yamaha Champions School does is they record you after they've already trained you a lot, and day 2 is supposed to show a very good progression, and honestly it really does. So we're here with Michael Hay now, and he's going to kind of talk about my personal film breakdown.
No, I'm hanging off, and you get the film, and film doesn't lie, right? And we're right behind you. But I will say the improvements from day 1. At day 1 we do it at the end of the day, you know, a fire hose of information. Day 2 we get it in the middle of the day, kind of everyone sleeps on it, and it's just always so great to see the improvements. Definitely saw improvements in your video.
Appreciate that.
Yeah, so day 1 we were definitely a little bit more crossed up. Day 2, definitely getting it to work, but there's still some upper body that you're leaving on the table. Right. So bottom position, ball of the heels there, nice triangle of light,
right.
Sitting back, at least fist distance apart between the groin area and the gas tank, outside leg in the gas tank. And what happens very commonly is that we'll turn and we'll go and we think we're hanging, but actually that inside arm is kind of straight and is keeping our head up. So what we want to do is kind of relax that inside arm, get that to bend, and naturally with our outside arm straight, naturally you can see my head just follows in, and then we could look through the corner.
Absolutely, yeah, because we reviewed my video and that's exactly what it was. My arm was locked out and I was just going like this against myself.
Cool, love it.
Awesome, Tom. Thank you.
So how did that one go?
I felt really good. Like I really was, I'm exhausted obviously, but the whole leg out, I feel like I did really well the first 3 laps. And I was number 4 to do the follow. By that time I was pretty fucking spent. But oh man, so good. So good.
Dude, I had at Norton, which was like, I don't know, the 1960s, whatever thing. I was on this at AMP. Getting it. I'm at 205, very respectful, 80% B group, I would say. This motherfucker. all the turns. It was like, yeah, just passing me. I never cut up to him except for the 2 straights.
Oh, dude, the first time I was out here, that guy and one of the other dudes from Yamaha were all on 390s. I'm on the Aprilia, and I'm ahead of them, obviously, from straight, and they catch me like 36. I'm like, what? And that's when I realized I suck and need to do something better. Maybe some cold tires right now, so nothing too crazy. But we're doing the cone drill. And wherever the pointy end is where the bike needs to be. So they put them in these very obscure places, and you have to try to make it a good lap based off of it. It's kind of fun. It really makes you look and really adjust your vision to wherever the cones are at. It's fun. It's a challenge, you know? Too early off the brakes. Way too early off the brakes. More, yeah, more. So, we're gonna go do a lap with only rear brakes. So, I guess we'll see how this goes. And we're going with all the faster guys too, so yay! That's good. Stop, get away from me! Get it. Alrighty, so we are doing a rear brake test. See how this goes.
Nice. Perfect. That was good.
Okay.
Next one, try to get into ABS, so a little bit more speed. Cool?
Okay.
Right there.
Great job, Marv. Great job. Pretty damn good. Go ahead.
We're following my main man Andy. He is the president of Desmo Southwest. Ah! Scared myself. Too shallow.
obviously there's always more work to do. It looks like you're probably still a little tight with your
Yeah.
maybe.
I can feel that every once in a while. It pops in my head. I'm like, oh yeah.
And at
But
some point, you're gonna learn that all this stuff we do is less work, not more.
yeah,
Otherwise, fucking egg.
it's awesome.
Put your seatbelt on, please, sir.
No. I've been riding around without a seatbelt on all day. I'm fine. Well, hun, you spent the day, 2 days, watching motorcycles go around a track and recording me. How badly do you want to be out there on the track?
I did. It was a little intimidating at first. I'm like, there's no way I'm going to be able to keep up with any of this stuff. It was pretty complex, but after watching the videos a whole bunch of those laps that you guys got recorded with the instructors, and the more I followed along, the more I was like, I could totally do this.
That's coming from someone that's never put a bike on a track or really ridden anything crazy fast. Well, our 2-day extravaganza here at Indy Motorsports Ranch for the Yamaha Champions Race School has ended. I am absolutely beat, which is why my wonderful wife is driving us home. Champ School puts a price on this class and everything that they do, but honestly, it's really invaluable. You can't put a price on your safety, and training like this really, really helps with that. So with that, you all have a good one. I'm out.